Maybe I need to fix this lighting issue for you. Alright, so welcome back, guys. Sup? This is Shetty here, and yesterday I didn't post a video because I had my schedule fucked up because I have a lot going. I have to raise fund. I have to write AITS exam, which is 26th July. These motherfuckers don't know. They bring up this exam every month. And it's 300 marks. Hassles. Why? Okay, regardless of that fact, what happened today? Today, I didn't rub my grumpy ass out of the bed and go to school. I took a decision, a very tough decision, especially during this time when Dean is completely mad on me for taking so many leaves. And I took a decision of going to pitch websites to many restaurants in Bangalore. And I did. Me and my friend, we took up the scooty, which had only a few liters of petrol. Then we somehow got 100 rupees in our piggy bank, and then we got some more petrol. But we took our scooty, we went, and we went there and we met people to obviously the restaurant owners in Oscoti there were several cafes, so when I went there I met several restaurant owners, and you know uh, I pitched them regarding how I build website regardless of building websites. Moreover, the models are very experienced to build heavy 3D design websites, but with website I also give content marketing, which we have fuck you. Okay. We have three fundamentals. Oh, the fumbling hits me, man. Okay. Okay. We have three fundamentals in building website. One is AO, another SEO and GEO. And before, when it comes to the website, everyone will like, oh, Google snippets, SEO. But now with AI, the game has changed because two more new terms came into this feed called as AEO and GEO. And to be honest, after doing freelance for so many months, I have mastered much of this stuff. Yeah, I'm not saying that I'm perfect. I'm never perfect. I'm happy to be imperfect and give space to learn more. And yeah, so I was, all over my experience, I created a pitch deck. Let me just show you guys the creativity that I brought in creating this pitch deck. So let me just show you it. Let me just pop that screen out. Where is it? I think it's these. But not this. Hmm. Hmm. Yep, this one. Let me just bring my camera over it. Yeah. Nigga, camera, just move! Oh, stupid ass thing. Uh, hey. Um, 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 Sorry for that, guys. I just edit this part. I'll let it be that. Okay, see this. So whenever we go to pitch our clients, so there's this restaurant called as Terminal in Bangalore, which is it has quite a good infrastructure. If you see here, this is the website that we built for them. I mean, I used Replit because I would not prefer to build it from scratch. Rather than that, I would use an experience model which already has so much data. So I'll use this experience model to build the design because at the very end I'm just going to take this code and I'm going to build it, using my terminal and GitHub. So rather than spending time from scratch and identifying the flaws, I would like an experience model to build it quickly for me so I can pitch it to businesses. So every time when I go to pitch a website dealer, a restaurant or someone who needs a website, we build websites like this. We have built one for Walkers Cafe in Bangalore. We have built one for Falcon Fitness, Falcon Fitness, which is another gym here. Oh, they have some heavy. Oh, yo, 2.9 is a lot for 1 month. Oh, 3 is a lot. Okay, regardless of that fact, yeah. So we another cafe in Bangalore. We pitched them. We built a really good website for them too. We just brought in our creativity, and we can do much better with customization. You see, if our client specifies something, then we can build it around his theme. So every time when we go to pitch someone, we create this pitch deck dashboards, and obviously our theme this time was your flight status was still, our theme is to convert this red highlighted flight status into green. So now all these restaurants' flight status is delayed. They are unclear and obviously they are scattered. But what we from our whole analysis we drop down the points where they are right, where they are going good, and that's why the sales are coming from pre-existing whatever they have built. What is that's lacking, which their competitors are adapting and they are having an upper hand. So we build that shit. We go to the deep research, and all AI models that we use, they are good. They've identified those trends, and from that trends we create a strategy plan without exposing how are we going to execute it. It's going to be a simple strategic plan where the client understands, okay, he's going to do this, but he doesn't get go through the technical specs. He should not even get to know the aspects of technical specs because our client doesn't know tech. He only knows I create food, I sell food, and I earn a lot. I pay you, you build this shit for me, and that's it. Our client doesn't know how to do the technical specs. So we never mention the technical specs. We mention the specs that is important for us to it's important for a business owner to know why he's buying this funnel. Why is he buying website? Because it's a marketing funnel. Then how is his website going to help him in marketing? That's what we are going to break it down, not in a technical specs way, but in a general humanized way. So the person, as a business owner, I can understand, okay, I'm purchasing something viable to my business and it's very valuable. So me and my friend Akash is a great man. I mean, without his scooty, I wouldn't have reached that place. Hmm, I need to get some scooty arranged. Okay, regardless of that fact, and then we have our CTA ready for takeoff. We always create this CTA. It's our ticket for your growth. I'll hang this artifact if you want. Should I? I mean, you can copy this UI. This is our CTA, ready for takeoff CTA. If you partnership with us, we are going to give you the exact specs, exact plan for your website transition. And overall, what we cover in website marketing is a term that I use a lot, AI visibility. We want to bring your website, you want your website to be scraped by these AI crawlers. We want your website to be mentioned as a solution in AI overview. And to be honest, this shit cannot be achieved. We cannot guarantee this shit. This shit can only be achieved by continuous experience. I mean, experiments. And, continuous experiments, continuously trying this shit, and that's what we have we have mastered over the years by continuously building a system that continuously experiments and continuously pushes your rankings. And this is a game, this is a fight. The other competitors are adopting the same system and they're doing the same shit to get in top of these AI crawlers. And that's why people website is not more than, it's not like you build the website one, you spend a bit of money and then you throw it and then suddenly clients come. Website needs to be managed, and website needs to be managed. It doesn't mean like you have an AI tool and you have a server, you manage that server. No, your content plays a huge role, and that's what we have realized over the past few years. Because, bro, anyone can build website, but anyone cannot build a website that brings sales. No, only few people can do it because they know the shit. They know, okay, this gonna work, and they know continuous experiments that keeps going to the website. That's why, web developers, that's why these agencies, they keep experimenting, they keep doing new stuff. And that's what I want to bring in my website plan, website maintenance plan. So we pitched all of these websites. Few of them liked it, few of them are interested, but most of them were not interested, especially in India, because when I see, I have pitched websites, but I have, this was my first time doing a pitch in my native language, and I fumbled so badly. I'm not joking, I fumbled so badly. Bruh, I'm going there and I'm teaching him how to do business. See, I was tensed when I was talking in my native language because it's, first time and I was tensed. And I'm pitching him and he's like, okay, he told that they have a website, but it's not coming at the top. So we told, sir, like I told, sir, this means how would you run your business? And that guy, he got pissed. And obviously he will if I used to tell this shitty stuff like, bro, how will you run your business? And he has been in this field for the last fucking 8 years. What I know, I don't even know the script that, I don't even know a few percentage of his knowledge. And yeah, sorry for that. Yeah, I fumbled badly because I didn't mean it. I mean, truly from heart, I didn't want to say that. I just fumbled, and I fumbled so badly. And regardless of that fact, fumbling, we pitched few websites. Few people are interested, luckily, but most of our pitch websites we have we have created several one of them and we pitched. But few things that I realized is if see now I get the concept of things being expensive. Few things are expensive. Why? Because people are going to buy with respect to the fact that it's expensive because it provides more value. I can buy, there are two types of gold watch. I can buy a gold watch which is just painted gold and it feels like gold, but it is fake gold. But does it have a value in future? No shit, it doesn't have. And I can buy a gold watch which is made up of gold. Does it have a value? Yes, it does. And now it makes sense. If I'm gonna sell a website to a restaurant in India that doesn't, that doesn't want to invest on that, bringing doesn't want to invest approx 12 to 15K for building websites and doing regular maintenance and visibility update or visibility audits and updating it every day, then it's, if the business is not interested, it's not worth pitching because you need to sell the expensive stuff to people who are ready to buy expensive stuff. And because they realize the value of expensive stuff, they realize the branding of expensive stuff. And that's what I learned in this process. And, I think I just wanted to pitch this shit to you guys. I wanted you guys to know this shit. And yep. That's it then. That's it for today's update. And again, obviously my schedule is fucked up. Obviously, guys, every day. I mean, guys, my shit remains fucked up every day. My schedule is fucked up every day. Oh, stupid. What is wrong with this lighting? Why the fuck I'm black? Oh, I'm back white. So, yeah. My schedule is packed up, obviously, and let's keep trying.